installation plate. This you can using screw, 3 screw. And the second way you can using the 3M cable. It's very easy. So this also have the deluxe top. After the installation, this is easily. And this is the assistant. This have the RGB and the 3 temperature color together. This is RGB color. 3000 K, 4000 K, and 6000 K. And we also can console here, button console. And this is the charging battery. You can using on the Type-C charging the phone charger here easily. Rechargeable table lamp for the hotel and the restaurant. It's very convenient for the charger. And if you have the big restaurant, you buy 8 lamps. I should say you buy the 8-port charging port together with this equipment. The charging port here you put easily, very easy. Okay.